How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. So this issue might arise because you are not running the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, you simply have to move into the App Store. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Facebook, and then move ahead to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you are having the issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Facebook. Once you find it, head over to it. Now click on Offload App. Once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Cash App. After this, if you're still having the issue, then simply uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling will definitely help you out. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.